First impressions matter, and your home's windows play a huge role. In sunny Rancho Cucamonga, professional home window tinting does more than reduce heat. It adds a sleek, polished look that turns heads and instantly boosts curb appeal. Discover how Tint City helps your home stand out on the block. Stylish, secure, and energy efficient. From modern style to long-term savings, window tinting is a game changer for Rancho Cucamonga homeowners. Not only does it add visual charm, but it also helps block UV rays, reduce fading, and cut down on cooling costs. With Tint City, you're not just upgrading your windows, you're elevating your entire home. Tinted windows give your home a clean, uniform, high-end look. No expensive remodeling needed. Whether your home is classic or contemporary, our premium window films enhance its natural beauty while helping it stand out in the neighborhood. Harsh sunlight can fade flooring, furniture, and decor. Our tints block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, preserving your interior and keeping your home cooler. That means less damage, more comfort, and fewer repairs over time. With Rancho's hot summers, keeping your house cool gets expensive. Our films reduce solar heat gain, easing the strain on your AC. That means lower electricity bills and sustainable comfort, all while improving your home's exterior. Whether you're looking to modernize your home's look or reduce energy costs, Tint City's professional home window tinting delivers on all fronts. Curb appeal, comfort, protection, it's all within reach. Visit tintcity.com today to schedule your free in-home consultation in Rancho Cucamonga.